Hey guys, Joe at Cold Springs RV bringing you one of our certified pre-owned vehicles. It's a 2015 Fleetwood Storm 28 MS. Real nice clean coach, full body paint, power awning. Paint is gorgeous on this, it shines. We've got plenty of pass-through little compartments under here. The outside entertainment center with stereo. You can even hook a TV up out here. Pretty nice little setup. Compartments are rotocast, so these can be sprayed out, cleaned, do whatever you need to do. And this is where you get a lot of the storage is back here. 3 entries into it. Tons of storage, carpeted. All around the back. Of course, it comes with a rear vision monitor. So you can see what's going on behind you. It does have sound, so you can hear if somebody's directing you backwards. Obviously, it comes with a trailer hitch. 5,000 pound tow capacity on this rig. This has a household water filtration system. This is where your black and your gray tanks are. This is where you dump them. That's where your plug in for your generator if you're dry camping. You got your gas right here in the back. Real easy to get to. Come around here. Nice, you get a little storage under the slide here. You get some storage in those compartments below. These are all slam doors, so once they lock, you're good to go. You don't have to worry about them popping open. It's on a Ford Triton V10 chassis. Definitely nice chassis, good rig. Ford's the only one doing Class A chassis anymore. Come on in. What I like about this model is it does offer auto leveling jacks, which on most coaches this size you wouldn't get those. Does have a generator on board, power mirrors, and you do have a power shade in the front. It goes right down nice and easy. This TV here actually swivels, so swivel it to you. It goes right back against the wall here. Another feature that's nice in this one here. Oh, turn the button on here. Well, this is an overhead bed. It's probably the TV's in the way, won't let me do it. Nice kitchen, plenty of cabinetry. For a short unit, you got plenty of counter space in here, plenty of drawers, plenty of storage. Hidden hinges on these guys. They do a nice job on these guys all around. A soft touch ceiling, so this is very easy to clean. It doesn't retain smells. Stainless sink. Nice oven there. And you got your oven cut, you got your stove cover. Goes right over it for extra counter space. Get your microwave. What's nice is this has a fantastic fan right here, so you can move air around in here if you have to. Bathroom is actually really nice in here. You've got a porcelain toilet, nice stand-up shower. A little bit more residential looking with the lights over the mirror. And you do have hanging storage on the door itself for towels, stuff like that. Fridge and freezer. Ice trays come with it. Storage here. Plenty of storage. So you got hanging storage here, you got drawers underneath. Nice deep drawers. What's really nice is you can access under the bed. You get a nice deep storage compartment, but you can also access it from the front. Close these up. Decent sized bedroom, nice queen bed in here. And you got a TV mounted on the wall here. I'm gonna have Tom bring you around. One thing we do pride ourselves here with our certified pre-owned warranty is they do come with a warranty. It's a 66-day warranty, but it goes through the shop. All the systems get checked, tested. This rig will go out just like a new one. Everything will work, everything will operate properly. If you have any questions on this, you can email us at www.coldspringsrv.com and check out our inventory.